On Veterans Day, we honor those who have served in the United States military throughout our history. The City of Urbana employs 40 men and women veterans, 16% of our staff. Thank you to each for the sacrifices they and their families have made in the service of our country. Their discipline and teamwork contribute every day to the safety and well-being of all those who live, work, and visit Urbana. Next week, Kermit Harden, former superintendent of schools and longtime Urbana resident, will travel once again to France, where he valiantly served in World War II. He will receive a Medal of Appreciation from our sister city of Thionville, which was liberated in 1944 by General Patton's army. Mr. Harden previously received the Knight of the Legion of Honor award from the French national government. Another distinguished public servant, former State's Attorney James R. Burgess, Jr., the first black county-wide elected official in Champaign County, served in France in the highly decorated all-black 761st Tank Battalion in Patton's Army. Mr. Burgess died in 1997 after a distinguished career which included being appointed U.S. Attorney for this region.